If you want new ideas of how to cook your greens like spinach, bok choy, chard, this recipe is for you. This is spinach made in coconut milk. It is absolutely delicious. Let's make this together. Set a pot on medium heat and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, preferably coconut oil, guys. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Sprinkle some salt so the onions cook faster and stir fry the onions for approximately 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped and we're going to stir fry that for another minute. Next goes in 3 cups of spinach leaves or any greens of your choice. You're going to place the lid on, let the leaves wilt for a minute or so. Next, in a grinder jar, we're going to take 1 bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi, 2 green chillies, a handful of coriander leaves, and a quarter cup of water. Make a paste of that. That is going to be the base for our gravy and it's going to make it so amazingly tasty. Set that aside. Our leaves would have wilted by now. So let's stir fry that for another minute or so that all the leaves wilt. And next we're going to add in our gravy base. Rinse out the blender jar with some water, add some salt to taste and give it a stir. Next, we're going to place the lid on and let that gravy simmer for 5 minutes. Once that's done, we are going to add in coconut milk. Canned coconut milk is a lot more creamier than homemade coconut milk. This is 1 whole can of 400 ml. I'm also rinsing out the can. I don't want to waste that delicious cream. Next goes in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give that a stir and let that gravy simmer for 2 minutes. Next, let's check for some salt and add some more salt to taste. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe for yummy recipes. I also have a blog called nupursindiankitchen.com, so do check that out. Next, we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder. And now the most important step, turn off the heat and we're going to zest 1 lime in, guys. This adds such a vibrant taste to this curry. Don't forget this step. Then you can add a little bit of lime juice, not too much, just a little bit. And we're all done. You can have this with rice, with roti. I hope you enjoy this.